guys, welcome. I'm just going to show you my 2004 Sienna minivan camper conversion. So here's the inside of it. You see we got the bench. We got the laminate flooring down here so it's easy to clean up. We have these amazing drawers that go the whole length. You have lots of storage in there. And I just put this here and it just spins. Just so when you're driving, it doesn't go forward. It just stops it really well right there. And we just measured the bench with the mattress so that I'm 5'10", so it's I about have like maybe an inch or two of headroom there. It doesn't touch. And here we got the sink. You can come in a little bit closer. This is a water pump and it's actually just rechargeable by micro USB. As you see, it works like a normal sink. You got that off Amazon. And it's just hooked up here to the fresh water tank. And this is a 27-liter tank. And we just put fresh water in there. And then we have the gray water behind, and I'll show you that after. But yeah. And these lights are just from Amazon also. And it's connected to a power bank right there. Now I'm going to show you just the power bank. So this is a huge power bank by AimTom. I'll put all the links in the description, but it's 26,800 milliamp hours. And right now we just have it powering these lights, but you can charge your phone around 10 times. And then when we're driving, you just hook it up to the cigarette lighter on the back here and it charges it. So here's the back of the sink. This is where you can see we have the 30-liter gray water tank here. We have the fresh water, and you see this is the tube that goes into the fresh water, and here's the soap. But yeah, this is easy to take out. You just take out garbage here and you just lift it up and you just take it out. And if you look here, we just put some wood right here just to hold it, and yeah, it's not going anywhere. Pause. I'm going to show you the back and the hinge that makes it into a bench. So as you can see, there's lots of storage. There's 2 full crates and it's extremely deep. And right now we have camper chairs in here and we have the window covers. But what basically is holding up the backrest is just this 4x4, and we cut it to the perfect angle and the height so that it slides right behind this 2x4. And it's super sturdy. And then if you need to get something in the back, you just hook this up here and then it just stays so you can grab whatever you want. You don't have to hold it. And you guys are probably wondering how it's so sturdy. Like, this does not rattle at all. It's completely secured to the frame. And if you look here, these are all just U-bolts. We have one here, one over there, and then there's 3 U-bolts connected to the frame also. And that is connected to the frame of the van, so it is super secure. And you can see the whole van is shaking, and this is not moving at all. Now I'm just going to show you guys how we make it into a full-size bed. You just take up the wood here, put it here, and this is actually a support also because it goes down. Super sturdy. Here you just pop this down like this, and then come to the side here. So this is actually 2 pieces. So you're just going to turn this here and lift this up, and you just pull it out. and just pull it out the full distance of the bed, and then you have a full-size mattress. This could comfortably fit one person and 2 people for sure. Maybe a little tight, but this is, yeah, full-size bed off Amazon. 5-inch memory foam. Use the cover there. And yeah, it's extremely comfortable, almost as comfortable as my bed. And the way we set it up is that we have the power bank there. We can charge our phones. We sleep here, and then we have the window covers there. And yeah, it's amazing. And if you guys need have any questions or want to know exactly how we did certain things, just put in the comments and I'll be sure to reply to you. Thanks. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I totally forgot to show you guys actually how we cook all our meals. So we actually have this butane stove that we just put on top of the sink here, and we just open up the window and we have a little USB fan that just blows out all the fumes. And if you guys have any other questions with any part of the build, just let me know and I will try to reply to all your guys' comments, and there'll be links to everything in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.